What's up, y'all? In this video we're going to take a look at a common problem with the FireKing Filing Cabinet, and that is the latches. They come loose and you cannot open the door by flipping the little toggles. So don't panic, these are super heavy filing cabinets. There's really nothing wrong with it other than it got loose. So grab a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Do not use a power tool for this. And unscrew the 2 screws that you will see underneath the handle. We're looking up at the handle, so they're directly underneath. Line up your toggle correctly because it has a square hole and it's got to go over a square shaft basically. And make sure to, again, not use power tools. Kind of wiggle it back and forth a few times to make sure it is seating correctly as you are tightening it down there. And you should feel it like fall into position, then get tight. Again, don't use power tools. Grab your handle, and here I was trying to make it a little bit easier for me by like lining up, because otherwise you gotta look under. I got lucky with this one, putting it back on. It snapped right over, but in the next clip that I have here, I will show you that it can bind up the toggle if you don't put the handle on right. But here we just did it first time, no problem. Tighten it down, give it a good snug. Again, no power tools, and check your toggle twice to make sure it's good. Alrighty, here's the one. This is actually the bottom one, and you can get to it with full size screwdriver. So unless it's extra long, but you can see this one's just loose. So I wanted to go ahead and tighten it up while I was here for the customer, so I wouldn't be back in a month. As far as applying Loctite to these screws, okay, so we got that. It's just a little loose, so we're just going to go, just give it a little, just a little right there. There we go. That's good. I mean, as far as putting Loctite on that screw, I wouldn't necessarily be concerned about that because I don't want to take the screw out and something fall and have a miserable day. So the mistake I made on this one was I screwed in this far right screw too much, and basically because kind of they use kind of a coarse thread, and it put it basically in a bind. So that was all my mistake, and it's just something that I wanted to include in this video in case you do that. Make sure that your handle kind of snaps into position before you try to do what I ended up doing here, and everything kind of bound up on me, so I had to go back and loosen the other side and make sure the handle kind of snapped over that toggle into position correctly. Anyway, like I said, just wanted to include this little section because sometimes it binds up that toggle and you don't want to break something by tightening it down. There we go. We got it snapped into position, I think, right about there. Yep, check it. Okay, now we're going to tighten the screws down. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any questions or comments on this, I will note, don't lose your keys to a FireKing cabinet because it's expensive. Again, check it twice. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, post them.